If you've been wondering whether the Temu free gift actually works for both new and existing users, this video will give you the real answer, because online you'll see two completely different claims. Only works for new users, doesn't work at all. But the truth in 2026 is more nuanced than that. Before we go further, I've placed the latest working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment along with backup codes you can try. So, does it work for everyone? Short answer, yes, but not equally. Temu runs a reward-based promotional system, not a simple giveaway. That means new users get easier access. Existing users still get rewards, but conditions are different. New users, why it feels easy. If you're new, Temu is trying to onboard you, so you'll often see stronger rewards, faster activation, more visible, free gift options. This is intentional. Temu uses incentives to increase early engagement. Existing users, why it feels harder. For existing users, things change. Instead of easy entry, the system focuses more on engagement activity, referrals, repeat usage. In many cases, rewards depend on actions like inviting users or completing tasks. That's why existing users often feel it used to work, now it doesn't. Why people get confused. Two people try the same method. One is new, sees rewards instantly. One is existing, sees nothing. So the second person assumes it's fake, but in reality, they're just in different promotion flows. How the system actually works. Temu's free gift system is a gamified reward system designed to drive growth and engagement. Based on actions, not luck, users typically need to complete tasks, interact with promotions, or invite others, and rewards are unlocked only after those conditions are met. Important reality. Check, let's keep it honest. The system is real. People do receive items. It's not instant. It's not guaranteed. It's not the same for everyone. Also, many viral videos skip the actual effort required, the real strategy. Instead of asking, does it work? Ask, what version of the system am I in? Because new users, easier rewards. Existing users, more conditions, both still eligible. Final takeaway. Temu free gift in 2026. Works for new users, works for existing users, but not equally and not automatically. If you want to test it, use the code on screen and follow the correct steps. And I'm genuinely curious. Are you a new user or existing user? Did it work for you or not? Drop your experience below.